Hi guys, what's up? So you just got a new MacBook Pro or a new MacBook, let me say a new MacBook, and you're looking at the first things to do when you get a MacBook, or you already have a MacBook and you want to customize, then this is the video for you, so stay tuned. I just got a MacBook Pro and I did an unboxing. So if you haven't watched the video of me doing an unboxing, I'll keep it in the cards somewhere. It's going to be in the description box, or I'll keep it in the cards. So if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it. I've been on YouTube and I've been watching people customize their MacBook and they make it look so beautiful and aesthetic. I like the whole vibes of what they do. So I thought, oh my god, let me try it since I already have a MacBook. And most of my inspiration came from Julia K. Christ. I'm going to leave her YouTube channel down in the description box. She has lots of tips. So if you haven't watched that video on customization, so go and check it out. For today, I'm going to walk you through the process of me customizing it and like the first things I do as a new MacBook owner. So if you're new, just keep on watching. So let's head out straight to my laptop. Okay guys, so with this video I'll be doing a screen recording of my laptop. To go to your settings, go to your general, depends on your preference. So you can go to your light, dark, so you can see. You can go to auto. So this auto means that during the day is bright and during at night it shifts to getting dark, and that's where my own is set because I love mine like that. And you can go to your accent color. Depending on the color you like, you can see how it changes. You can also change your default web browser to Safari or Chrome. So when you get your MacBook Pro, you don't have Chrome installed, so you have to install Chrome, and I'll show you how you do. Then next we go to the desktop and the screensaver. And next is your dock. This is your dock. This here right here is your dock. So it depends on the size. So this is the size. What do you want? You want it bigger? You want it to be large? Do you want it to be small? Let's see. I think I like mine this way. Then magnification. So what this means is, if you tap on it, you want it to pop out like this. So you see. So let's say we made the magnification max, and you see, it looks bigger. I think I like mine this way. I don't think, like, it was always showing like this, but I think by the time I did the software update, it became static. It wasn't moving this way. But I think I like it this way, so I'm going to leave my own this way. But I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, this is too small for me. Okay, so this is fine with me. Then position on your screen, bottom left. You can see it's moved to this side. You see, or to your right. Whatever is your preference, but I feel I love this down area. So you can still check on other things. You can automatically hide it and show. So you automatically hide, you can hide your menu bar. Your menu bar, it's not there. So when you need it, you go up, it comes up. So you can do that if that's what you want. But I think I like my menu bar showing. That things to do here, your touch ID. Okay, yes, your touch ID. You can put more than one fingerprint for your touch ID. If you want to do that, you go to your fingerprint, you add more fingerprint, put your passcode and all that, and you put more than one fingerprint, and it's going to work for you. You can also change your picture, your display picture. So this is mine. You just choose from your camera and save it. Have that. Other things I like is the battery. So if you go to battery, so something with me is that most of the time I leave my MacBook on like throughout the night. I forget. I was working on it, I got a bit sleepy, I just close it and I go to bed forgetting, and I know that can like make the battery not last longer for me. So here's what I was waiting to do, because I had to shoot this video, so I was waiting to do. So you go to your schedule and you can set when you want your laptop to automatically go off. So you can do every day at maybe like 12, and once you apply this, once it's 12 at night, your laptop automatically switches off, which is a good thing for me, given the fact that I always forget to switch off my laptop. I know it's not good, but I keep doing it, so you can do that. So I'm even going to apply right now, so I don't even forget. When you get your laptop, your MacBook, like I said, there will be Google Chrome installed, so you go to Safari and type in and find out which of them you have. Mine is the one with the Apple chip, so just find out the one you have. Download is very easy. One of the fun things I learned from Julia was customizing a Google Chrome background. So if you want to do that, you go to customize, and you can see that there are lots and lots of backgrounds to use. So you can see, you can even refresh it daily, like every day changes. So you can see this is it. It's beautiful already. There are lots and lots of things to do. Yeah. See? It looks good. You can also change the color. So like if you don't like this whole white background, you can change it to purple. It's cute. See? It's cute. So let's change it back to white. Sorry. So you see this purple, it's fine, I like it. I'll change it to this one, you can change it to this, you can change it to that. It just depends on what you would prefer. See? It just depends on what you would prefer. I wish I can make this like, wait, let me see. I wish I can make it that color. Okay, so let's do solid colors. Let's see. Oh, it's here. Yeah. So another nice thing I learned from Julia was customizing my folder. Let's go to Canva. I'm a big Canva fan. I do everything with Canva. So because I'm on the pro version of Canva, I can download it as a transparent background. Okay, so to copy this, we do Command C. Then we come over to the screenshot, right click, do get info, click here, and do Command V. And see it has changed. Looks so pretty, honestly. So tell me in the comment section, should I change all my folders to this color, to this design, or I should just leave it? Something that I forgot to tell you, if you're just having a MacBook for the first time, there are some keys that were kind of confusing for me, and there's some things I actually learned. So for me, because I have a blog, I do lots of screen record, or I do lots of screen shots. So if you want to screenshot like a picture or something, so you do the Shift, Command, and 4. When you do that, you can select where you want to screenshot. But if you want to screenshot your whole screen, you do the Shift, Command, and 3. So that has helped me a lot with my work. So next, I feel like I want to customize my wallpaper, because I've always been seeing, especially I feel like I want to do the collage one, because I like that one very much. So because I'm a lover of lilac, whatever, I'm going to do something in that color range. So Pinterest is my best option to get that one. So let me find out the dimension of my MacBook. Wow, I love it. So if you want to download it, you can let me know. I'll send you like a link where you can download it, maybe, or maybe it will be on my website. My laptop looks very, very beautiful. I can't believe this my laptop is cool and I like it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you love it. Subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned for more wonderful videos. Thank you.